Mathematicians, in this lesson, you're going to learn to solve 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems by using the area model. You know the area is found by multiplying the length times the width. So we could say the area is equal to 6 times 3 because we multiplied the length times the width. You also know that area is the amount of space the surface of a shape takes up. So in this case, everything that is highlighted is the area of this rectangle. So we're highlighting the surface to show that this is the space the surface takes up, or the area of that shape. I'm going to explain this idea by showing you how we can use the area model to break up the digits in the length and the width to solve for a multiplication problem. So in this example, I see that the length of this rectangle is 12 feet. Remember, we can say that this is actually 1 10 and 2 separate ones because 12 is broken down into 10 plus 2. Then if I look at the width, I see that that is equal to 10 feet, so the width of this shape is 10. Now that we understand the length and the width of each side of this rectangle, we can use what we know to fill in the area of the shape. Let's see how this looks in a problem. If we were asked to solve the problem 11 times 23 using the area model, we would first want to break down our digits. So I know that 11 is equal to 10 plus 1. I also know that 23 is equal to 20, so we have two 10s here to give us 20, and 3 1s. Now we know that area is equal to the space inside of this rectangle. So, in order to solve this problem, we can place shapes inside of this rectangle to figure out the area. First, I know that 10 times 20 is equal to 200. Each one of these blocks is 100, or a hundredths block. Then, as I move on, I can see that 10 times 3 is equal to 30. Now we have most of our rectangle filled in. We just have to fill in our bottom portion here. I see that 1 times 20 is equal to 20. And then finally, we fill in our last area, and we say that 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Now we have our entire rectangle filled in. We can use the values that we solved for, 200, 20, 30, and 3, and add them together to come up with the answer to our multiplication problem. So I see that 11 times 23 is equal to 253, or the area of this rectangle is 253. In this lesson, you learned to solve 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems by using the area model.